Hey guys, Clinton says drunk Colorado mortgage team. Okay, yesterday they announced the 2023 county loan limits for conventional loans. This is from Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae, and they went up substantially. Now we had gamed the system and thought they'd go to 715, but they beat us and went even higher. Check this out. Nationally, we went to 726,200 for a one unit, and it goes up from there all the way up to 1.396 million for a 4 unit. That's fantastic. Now, we got even better news here in Colorado, because if you check out all these counties in Colorado that are well above the national limit. Look at Denver down here. 787,750. That's fantastic. Now, even better news than that is the new high balance. This is how far you can go above the conforming loan limit and fall into a high balance, which is a pricing adjustment, means rates are slightly higher, but you're not into the jumbo category. The high balance now, nationwide, 1,089,000. That is great news. Now, why is that so important? Because when you go into jumbo, you have very restrictive guidelines and worse rates. What's a restrictive guideline look like? Where you may have a low DTI limit of 43, where you could go to 50 on conventional. Or it's not uncommon to have 12 months of reserves. Let's say you had $1 million loan and your payment was $7,000. You might have to have 12 months worth of reserves. That's $84,000 you'd have to have in the bank after closing to meet that reserve requirement. You don't have reserve requirements like that on conventional loans. So if you can stay out of jumbo by using some of these higher loan limits, this benefits you in many ways. Want to know more about what that might look like for your situation? Simply give us a call. All our information's right here, and we'd be happy to help. Have a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you soon.